2020 was a significant year in the world's history and Moderna's journey. What started as a typical year would shift dramatically as the COVID-19 pandemic changed how we live and work, and eventually claimed millions of lives globally. With no effective vaccine, the scientific community raced to find a solution to this public health crisis. Moderna's work and investments over the last 10 years positioned the company to advance the desperately needed COVID-19 vaccine in record time. Moderna provided the world with a powerful tool to help change the course of this pandemic by preventing COVID-19 infection, severe disease, hospitalizations, and deaths. Tonight we honor Kerry Beninato, Gabor Batura, Satyajit Kumarasinghe, Jin Lim, Greg Mercer. A group of researchers at Moderna began to develop the delivery platform for their vaccine technology years before the COVID-19 pandemic, but lacked a viable method to deliver the mRNA into the body, a vehicle that provided the right balance of immunogenicity and reactogenicity. The formulation needed to both deliver the mRNA in sufficient quantity for high levels of antigen expression and minimize negative tolerability with low reactogenicity. At the same time, the current lipid series lacked adequate protein expression and also had poor injection site tolerability. Leveraging medicinal chemistry principles, the team designed a new lipid series for their use in prophylactic vaccines. This new class of lipids provided greater release of mRNA into the cell and overall higher protein expression. The ability to improve on tolerability without affecting potency by focusing on LNP composition guided their scientists in their approach for LNPs, laying an indispensable framework for vaccine candidates. Based on this pivotal work, Moderna progressed multiple vaccine candidates into the clinic. In December 2019, Moderna had built the human data package showing both the efficacy and tolerability of this platform. It was an aha moment when the team quickly came together at the start of the pandemic and decided to encode for the full-length S protein. In the first quarter of 2021, the team delivered on their supply commitments to multiple governments and helped protect more than 100 million people with the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. Moderna's COVID-19 efforts have created hundreds of industry jobs, helping fuel its growth from 800 employees at the end of 2019 to 2,700 at the end of 2021. The company started 2022 with Moderna employees living and working in 12 countries around the world. Additionally, the COVID-19 vaccine has improved the global economy by helping to preserve public health. The American Chemical Society honors these heroes of chemistry from Moderna for their outstanding contributions to science and their service to society.